Hello friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. Root One Shrike back with another video, and in this video we are going to look at ShrikeLinux, the Spectrwm Edition environment. This is we are logging to. Let me first get this. X random is 1920. Oh. Alright, this is ShrikeLinux. Let me go to another tab. ShrikeLinux, the Spectrwm Edition. So here, because I've executed the xrandom to get the good environment, to get the display, the good display. You're seeing that it is cutting the wallpaper, but here you just place Alt R. Alt R can refresh the wallpapers. Using Alt R you can do that. So here there is not much I've included here. It's like ShrikeLinux default. It is ShrikeLinux default. Here in the corner, don't worry, this is my vocal screen recorder. I'm using vocal screen recorder. We have D menu on Alt F1, that is our D menu, and Alt F2 we have got Rofi, and also here Rofi you can use it to install, like if the installer doesn't pop on screen by default, you don't use D menu. D menu won't get it. You can see it won't get the installer. Let me see Calamolis. It gets the installer, but it will not be in root. So what you do, you press Alt F2 and then you search for installer. There, it's there. You use Rofi on Alt F2. So let's see all our key bindings. Alt N opens our Thuna, and for some reason I don't know why Thuna, the theming of icon does not select the one we want to use. I don't know why. Let's first click that one. Yeah, so this is our Thuna. Alt X closes, and for Firefox it is Alt F. Brave it is Alt B. Thuna Alt N. We want to see our bindings here. Let's go to Spectrwm. Spectrwm. So let's see it here. I don't know why I always want to use this computer which has no RAM. Okay, let's go on reading. For the terminal, we have contour. Contour has a big terminal. Alt enter. It opens the big terminal. And the scratch pad, it is circular. Alt A opens circular. Alt A as the scratch pad. I've told you Thuna, Firefox, Brave, I've told you. And for our scripts, we have scripts here. There are many. D menu. This is the first one is F1. I've told you F1 opens a D menu, and F2, that is Rofi. And then Mod S or Alt S, that is color picker. It picks color, then you paste it somewhere. We have here three application which helps us there. Programs, we have three of them which help us there. It's Xcolor, for Xcolor. We have Xcolor for picking color. We have got Dusty for notification. You can see here it notifies us. We have got Xdo tool and Xclick, which helps us to copy and paste our color. And let's say here now. Here we have file scan. This file scan, let me show you how it does on F3. This one, it helps you to go through your file or folders on your system. That is how it does. It's a script. Now we have net browser, F4. This one, this is interesting. Here you choose a browser which you want to use. Let's say, let me choose. This machine doesn't have enough RAM. Okay, let's choose, let's say Brave. And then we choose YouTube. Then we write the channel we want. Let's say ShrikeLinux Uganda. We press enter, then it will pop us with the results in Brave browser. As it is coming, because of my RAM, let's go to another one. It's called NetSearch. NetSearch can do the same as the previous one, but they differ a bit. This is NetSearch. Okay, next. This is Brave. You know, most of time Brave opens these things. Let's go with that one. The password, I don't know why most of time Brave wants us to put credentials to open. So you see, it has opened the channel as I've told you, but the problem is the machine I'm using here, it's not good on RAM. Yeah. Okay, so we were going to mod 5, the NetSearch. Mod F5 NetSearch. So here you choose you choose let's choose Odyssey to open in Firefox. It opens in Firefox. That is another program where you can search your things. We have network. It is mode 6. Mode 6. It pops you with network and Wi-Fi connection. You see it's searching for Wi-Fi connection, but we won't enter because even in my dongle doesn't work on my KVM doesn't support my dongle. That's why I cannot use it here. We have Rofi bits on number one on mode F7. These are bits, songs. You can place, then it plays, and it won't play. I have a problem with the sound in this KVM. You see it is playing, but I don't want it to play. We have router wrist. This router wrist does like this. Maybe let's say you are somewhere, you want to copy something, or it's a URL you want to copy. Then you go to that URL, you highlight it, then you place it is mode F8. Mode F8, it copies it. You see they have copied, and if you copy it again, they will tell you that it has already bookmarked. Let's try and see. You see, already bookmarked. So that bookmark, we find it somewhere in local, share, bookmark, quickmarks. It's here. You find it there. Let's go to another one here. Scroll, that is a screenshot. F9, mode F9. That is a screenshot. It takes the screenshot. Then to see your screenshot, you find it in pictures. Where is pictures? It doesn't have pictures, but yeah, it is here. You can see it. It's here. I don't have restrictor. And I don't want to open in browser because of RAM. It will disturb me, but it can pick. I can do it again. You see it. You see it has added another one. Okay, let's go to another one. It's F10. F10, that is power. Mode F10, that is power. You select here. These icons fail to get the good icons to use here, but it locks. It can do. Let's lock it, and then it will prompt us with a password, but right now we don't have a password. If you have a password, you type it like that, but I don't have a password. Then I'll just press enter to verify. And we have lock does the same. Mode F11, it does the same, and does the same. And then mode R, that refreshes the wallpapers. Mode R, like this, it refreshes the wallpapers like that. Okay, so now these are our auto starts. These are layouts. I don't know. Okay, so these are our calcs, and I've tried to put everything in float mode. That's why you are seeing here Thuna is in float mode. It's not on the screen, on large screen, in full. If you want to get it in full, then you change this one to full screen. Instead of float, you put it in full screen, or else you comment it out. Yeah, that is it. And I wanted to show you layouts, but I did include the layouts here. I think what I'll do, I'll put but not right now. I'll put the scripts which will show you all the key bindings. I didn't want to put them because key bindings which I've selected, they are easy to cram. That's why I didn't bother. But according to what you are seeing here, the layouts are good. These layouts, I don't know what I'll do. Maybe I'll add here a hash like this, then I put the key bindings here for just layouts. Yeah, but you know, SpectrwM layouts are good. Yeah. So another thing, what else? I think there is nothing else. Yeah, only this. I've added this one to help me, because my Karamori has been going all over the screen, so I added this quack to help me to open Karamori in a float way. Yeah, so that is SpectrwM for ShrikeLinux. It is easy. Whatever you don't like, you can comment it out. You can change. In fact, let me tell you, you can change your key bindings the way you like. I've chosen these key bindings because they are easy to cram. I don't want to put something which someone has to read and understand. This key binding does this. I've selected the simplest key bindings so that this config will be easy for you to use. But if you get it, you can change everything you feel like. You can change. Yeah, I'm not here to push the key bindings to you and you use it. You can change everything you like. You can change according to the way you like your key bindings to be. I'm just making this one to be easy for any person to use it. That is it. Just to be easy for any person to use it. But if you get it, you are free to change it. Yeah, I wanted a simple SpectrwM config. Yeah, that is it. So I think our video will end here. I'm not going to show you anything here because it's our ShrikeLinux. You know ShrikeLinux. Those who have been using ShrikeLinux, you know the programs which we have there. And also I've forgotten there are 3 programs I've forgotten. I've forgotten to add script, Shrike script. It is update script, and those 2 scripts which helps you to make bootable drive. I've forgotten them. I've forgotten to add them. I've forgotten. let me mark it down here. Scripts. I will remember. I'm going to build again this distro. Then I think I'll push this distro tomorrow or today in evening. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.